Example 6 says a road construction company bids on a project to build a new freeway. The company estimates its potential profit shown in the table below. So there's your different profits. It's 500,000 is 5%, 250,000 is 30%, 150,000 is 35%, loss of 100,000 is 20%, and a loss of 350,000 is 10%. So if we want to know the expected value, again, you always do the probability that it happens times the profit or the loss. So we're going to multiply each one of those numbers onto our the profit or loss times this probability, and then we're going to add them together. So 500,000 times 5%, I'm getting $25,000. 250,000 times 30%, I'm getting $75,000. 150,000 times 35%, I'm getting $52,500. A loss of 100,000 times 20% would be a loss of $20,000. A loss of $350,000 at 10% would be a loss of $35,000 that it contributes towards the expected value. We add all those numbers together, and I'm still getting a profit of $97,500. So the expected value on average, if they did multiple projects, is approximately $97,500 of profit, because it's a positive number, for every one of those jobs that they give.